Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm gonna roll that intro. I had intended on doing a shave today because I've got 2 days worth of growth, but I must halt all shaving video productions because this is going to drop this weekend. What is this, you say? Well, you may have already seen it. Let me do a thumbnail here. This is Frans Space Cream, and this is sort of a Christmas in July / Advent calendar. But as you can see, there's going to be 6 shave sample sets, so it's going to have the soap and the splash, and we can see here it's going to have a wooden spoon included. My package does have got a little rough maybe when I was opening, I'm not sure, but that door is still intact, but it's just got a little damage there. This is going to release this weekend, possibly Friday, not sure, but most of the releases are on Saturdays. And this is a limited thing. So when I say limited, I mean they're already pre-made. If you want one, think you even want one, or even imagine that you might think that you want one, you better grab it when it drops, because I think this is a truly limited release. And so there probably isn't going to be any do-overs or extras, because Douglas and Fran, they're going to be releasing this, and it starts on June 15th, or not June 15th, July 15th. And as you go through, the last day will stop on the National Ice Cream Day. And just looking at this, you know, I see everyone, whether you're like me that lived in the country and didn't have an ice cream truck, when you went into town, there was always someone, a relative or a friend's house that you would visit. You would hear an ice cream truck rolling around, and I can remember the days of the things that I would always choose, and there was always a little list, and if you were confused, you would just be like, what do you got? And one of my go-to favorites was the Bomb Pop, or maybe it's called the American Pop now. But I really remember the iconic colors of the little pop that came out of there, and the raspberry and the cherry, and I think it was lime. I think the white was lime or lemon, but anyway, it was an awesome thing as a kid to eat. And I just wonder, will that be in here? There's all kinds of little things on here that kind of get your mind going, thinking about what might be in here. And it's 6 vintage ice cream truck classics. I cannot wait to open this up, and this is going to be fun. So if you like the gourmandy things, or if you like to take a time travel or a travel back into time, I think this would be an excellent way to do it. I appreciate Douglas and Fran for sending this to me. There's a whole little write-up on the back here, and I'm not going to read all that, because if you're interested in this, you will know right away that you want it or you don't. I don't need to twist your arm anymore, but this is going to be exciting. This is the first year they've done this, and who knows if they'll do another one. So if you're a collector and you just want the box with all the little travel samples in there, this is going to be fun. And for the heat wave that we've got going on right now, I could use a little break. So that's going to be the video for the day. No spoilers or anything like that. I will put in the description box below all the information that's on the box, and some of the interesting things. And is it time to shave yet? I gotta wait. The other thing I want to mention is, if you get one of these, the timing is supposed to be just right, so everyone gets them before the calendar starts. If you happen to get it early, please, please, please do not open yours and make any posts on Facebook or Instagram. Don't ruin it for everyone else. That's all I can ask of you. If you open it and you're a bad boy or a bad girl and you look at all this stuff or smell it all, just let the rest of us, keep it to yourself, I'll say that. Just let the rest of us enjoy opening that door and seeing what is behind them. And you guys might get bored seeing me shave every day for 6 days, but I'm gonna do it because it's fun. All right, well, I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.